Microsoft is testing a few changes for Windows 11 that will make everything a bit easier about the taskbar. Hey, GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The change is being rolled out to Windows insiders in the experimental channel, and if you hate how big and bloated the Windows 11 Start menu has gotten, this test will give you the option between small and large versions of the menu. Simply choose the size you want from the Start menu settings, and your pick will stay consistent across displays. Windows Latest previously found that Windows 11 Start menu became almost twice as big after an update that came out in November last year, on which Microsoft said it was aware of it and was looking for feedback. In addition, the Insiders release will give you access to section-level toggles like Pinned, Recommended, and All, so you can show or hide parts of the menu to simplify your experience. For instance, if you switch off Recommended and All, you'll only see the apps you have pinned. These toggles will be rolling out over the coming weeks. You'll also get access to a separate control for file recommendations, which will let you disable them in Start menu alone, as well as the option to hide your name and profile picture in Start to protect your privacy if you're sharing your screen or streaming. Microsoft will also give you the power to position your taskbar on any edge of the screen, whether it's top, bottom, left, or right. You can even choose the icon alignment according to your liking as well. To be part of Microsoft's Windows Insider program, you'll have to register with your Microsoft account. Insiders get to preview the latest Windows builds the company is testing, and they'll be able to send their feedback to the company to improve its experimental features before they roll out. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.